Hey everybody, Mitch here. Going to do a quick end of day review, especially if you did not catch the stream today. Obviously, the pre-market structure kind of held overnight chopping from this upper resistance of the range back to the middle around the 75.30 SPX 75.40 ES. Got a couple dips lower to the bottom of that range, back to the middle, which is kind of like what the shape of it said it would do. And that kind of informed my plan in the morning, which I shared in the Discord here, what I was looking for upside. If we hold this, I'm looking for a test to the top of the range, and if that holds, I'm looking for the next range, and then to the potential very top of the range. You can see it in these notes as well. If we cover the 75.80 ES, 75.70 SPX, I expect us to go test the top of that range. There is resistance along the way, but I think we get there if we cover this strike. We got there. How that changed after this blue line, which is the London close, is the pre-market positioning gave way to the intraday positioning, where you can see there was a big game-changing resistance overhead, as well as this little block here that pretty much kept us in check into the afternoon. The potential for a pop over and through that would have been very explosive, but the more time that went on we weren't doing it, the less chance of that we were going to have. So I did take a little end of day short on futures on a fresh eval that I'm going to trade live on stream from now on. And got that going back into the middle of this kind of intraday range. I was thinking we might retrace back to the strongest balance from the pre-market, which was that 75.80 strike on ES. Didn't quite get there, but we didn't get the explosive move over either, which I did put a little Lotto 76.10 SPX call on for, just in case. Again, very, very unlikely, but that's why it's a Lotto, right? But everything that we discussed on stream about what was available pre-market versus intraday pretty much came to fruition. If you didn't even have the intraday positioning and you were just going off the pre-market, you could even say, worry about it when you get up here. Everything about this is saying most of what's up here is actually resisting you. So even getting to the top of this range was well beyond the expected move that was priced in on the day from the open. So everything over this 75.80 on ES was a bonus. Can't speak more highly about having this as an edge in your trading. If you want to know more about it, obviously we have the Discord there where I do give those plans. Otherwise, if you want to see what the afternoon holds, check in on the afternoon stream on Project 365. You'll have me followed by Christian doing his ICT thing. After that, you'll have Ron and Alan and then Jake again in the morning. So let's see how we wrap up the week with Friday, and we will see you there.